You should see the size of the bolts that were showing up in this direction. But we'll see if we catch something. We just had a wicked, severe thunderstorm just nail us. I would show you the flooding, but I want to keep the camera on the sky just in case. But this has definitely moved past us and is now moving away. But it didn't pop up on camera. Son of a bitch. Oh, that was better. That was beautiful. What was that? That was about the 101 mark. We got a little bit more time to keep this up. Yeah, I'm surprised it hasn't knocked out power. Some of these have been really close. I'm talking, make you feel the heat on your face, make your body go numb kind of thing. See, that's weird. The bolt shows up, but it just creates this flash on the screen. Yeah, this car that just drove by looked like she hit the floodwaters a little too hard and it ripped her front fascia right off her Hyundai. I probably should have took a picture of that. No, I'd rather catch the lightning.